Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Down in my heart. Where? Joy, joy, joy down in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got love of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. Where? Where? And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. Happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got a love of Jesus in my heart. Yay! Happy Father's Day.
Hindi na, brother, okay lang yan.
Ito yung ating handa. Wow, very soon. Ha? Malinaw yan. Ito ginagamit ko.
Mga doon sa ating basket. Happy Father's Day sa amin.
Happy Father's Day. Vlogger na tayo.
Vlogger na.
Oo.
Galing naman yan. Ipipihinto pala basta.
Ha?
Ipipihinto pala.
Oo. Ito yung pangano eh.
Father lang muna, father. Father lang muna, father. Mga father. Hindi ba? Biro lang.
Happy Father's Day kay Joman. Galing. Hindi ka na magdadala ng mga, mga malaking camera.
Mamaya, nakain pa tayo na.
Yan, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Yan, bumaba na. Bate. Ano ba yan?
Happy Father's Day.
Dito. Happy Father's Day. Isa pa.
Happy Father's, isa pa.
Kunin natin sa isa. Matet.
Wait niya. Happy Father's Day.
Patalikod si Matet eh. Matet, harap. Ay, ikaw.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Hindi, sabihin mo na pogi ako, gano'n.
Pogi ako.
Hindi, ako pogi. Oh, may cake pa, may cake oh.
Thank you po.
Anong nangyari? Linisin niyo yan. Oh, sorry. Ha? Hindi, okay lang. Busog pa eh. Yung mga tatay. Sarap ba ang spaghetti?
Sarap ni David pero may gawa niyo.
Okay, naubos ni Brother John, no?
Masarap pa sa Jollibee.
Oo. Walang sinabi yung alin.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Oo nga. Masarap sa Jollibee. Oo. Ha? Si depressing. So, DJI, ano? Somo something.
Sama mo?
Ah, yung ano neto. Mita, ano masasabi mo?
Get mo po yung Hawaiian niya. Ito.
Kumain ka ba?
Hawaiian po. Hawaiian ko ninyo po. Yun.
Kain lang ng kain.
Hawaiian lang.
Bye.
Thank you po. Kasi isa kami iniyakay. Pero hindi ko talaga ako. Hindi. Sabi ko,
Ayos lang.
sumusubok talaga ako nito mga selfie ko.
Okay lang. Oh.
Umiyak ko yun. Tamas kasi yan at tao.
Oh, greet
Happy Father's Day!
from Sister Leonor and Sister Jeanette.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Okay, thank you. Oh, sigaw, Happy Father's Day.
Sabihin yung Happy Father's Day. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Father's Day! Yeah! Oh. Hindi narinig, sister.
Happy Father's
Oh,
Day,
yeah.
Pastor.
Yeah. Ano pa yung sinabi mo? Yung mabait?
Mabait at guwapo namin, Pastor. I love you po.
Okay.
Sana all may laruan.
Ano sabi mo?
Sana all daw may laruan.
All the way?
Sana all daw may laruan.
Oh, laban. Okay.